It's complex numbers or triangle formed by complex numbers via rotation. Rotation to ng 90 degrees counterclockwise. So, kung makikita natin, di ba meron na tayong nabuo na isosceles triangle at nakuha na natin yung area. Pero dito, in-emphasize yung rotation. Yung given is multiply natin by I. Kasi 90 degrees lang naman yung rotation. Pero this time, ini-emphasize natin yung rotation. Katulad pa rin ito ng dati, pero this time, ni-recognize, in-emphasize natin, or ang emphasis nito is yung sa rotation. Well, this is good when it comes to computer graphics kasi na-rotate mo yung triangle 90 degrees counterclockwise, which is very important sa computer graphics or yung tatawag nila sa math na complex rotations. So, this is another primer for computer graphics. So, yun lang yun. So, yun lang pa.